This is gonna be a first for me. It's never started snowing while I'm out camping, so I'm excited to see what I wake up to.